Welcome back. Today we're diving into the best electric snowblower that can turn even the heaviest winter snow into an easy cleanup. If you want power, speed, and hassle-free snow removal without the noise or gas fumes, this video is for you. Let's break down the features, performance, and real results to find the perfect snowblower for your winter needs. There are many best electric snowblower to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best electric snowblower from top brands that can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Just twist it, but don't change that keyword best electric snowblower other than change rest in a way that looks more polished. Number 1. PowerSmart 18-inch corded electric snowblower. The PowerSmart 18-inch corded electric snowblower is a powerful and efficient winter tool built for homeowners who want fast, reliable snow clearing without the hassle of gas machines. Its upgraded 120-volt, 15-amp motor moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute and throws it as far as 30 feet, making it ideal for medium-sized driveways, walkways, and decks. Designed to last, it features an all-steel auger with 4 rubber-tipped blades that outperform traditional shovels and ensure long-term durability. With an 18-inch clearing width and the ability to remove 0 to 6 inches of snow, this lightweight snowblower with 6-inch wheels is easy to maneuver and simple to assemble. Customers praise its strong performance on fluffy snow and appreciate that it clears right down to the pavement, even handling compacted snow with slow passes. While some users find it extremely easy to use and a major upgrade from shoveling, others note mixed experiences with wet, heavy snow, and durability. Safety precautions are recommended when operating corded electric equipment and heavy-duty machinery. Overall, this snowblower is valued for its power, convenience, and impressive throwing distance, offering excellent results at an affordable price. Number 2. Vever Electric Snowblower. The Vever Electric Snowblower is built for fast, powerful winter clearing with its 15A 2200W motor designed to handle wet and heavy snow effortlessly, cutting a wide 20-inch path and 12-inch depth in a single pass to reduce cleanup time. It throws snow up to 25 feet for extended reach, while the 180 degrees adjustable chute gives precise control over where the snow lands. A dual safety switch prevents accidental activation, and dual LED headlights provide excellent visibility during early morning or evening snow removal. Ideal for driveways, sidewalks, patios, and multi-car parking areas. This electric model requires no gas and produces no carbon monoxide. Customers praise its strong performance, easy maneuverability, smooth operation, and reliable electric start, noting that it clears both light powder and deeper snow with ease. Lightweight yet sturdy, simple to assemble, and comfortable to operate, this snow blower offers impressive power, convenience, and dependable results for everyday home use. Number 3. Oldtask 12-inch corded snow blower. The Oldtask 12-inch corded snow blower is a lightweight yet powerful snow removal tool designed for fast, easy winter cleaning. Weighing only 9.9 pounds and powered by a strong 10-amp motor, it throws snow up to 20 feet and clears a 12-inch wide, 6-inch deep path, making it ideal for driveways, decks, patios, steps, sidewalks, and narrow walkways. Its ergonomic adjustable handle reduces strain and supports comfortable use, while the dual safety switch and snow-resistant, waterproof materials ensure safety and reliability in harsh weather. Built with a user-friendly grab-and-go design, this corded electric shovel requires no complicated assembly, and the directional plate lets you control exactly where the snow lands, reducing extra cleanup. Customers praise its compact size, impressive power, and ability to handle up to 8 inches of accumulation without clogging, especially in heavy, wet snow. Quiet operation minimizes disturbance, and its durable, winter-tested construction makes it a dependable choice for home use or a thoughtful holiday gift that brings convenience and ease to every snowy day. Number 4. Super Handy Cordless Snow Shovel. The Super Handy Cordless Snow Shovel delivers efficient and convenient snow clearing with its ability to remove a 10-inch wide by 5-inch deep path, making it perfect for patios, decks, driveways, and sidewalks in both residential and light commercial settings. Powered by a high-performance 20V electric motor, it moves up to 300 pounds of snow per minute and throws it up to 25 feet, offering strong performance without gas, oil, emissions, or loud noise. Weighing only 10 pounds, this lightweight shovel features an ergonomic adjustable handle and curved auger blades that reduce strain while improving clearing efficiency. Designed for hard surfaces, it ensures safe operation when dry and used with proper protective gear. Customers love its maneuverability, compact size, and cordless convenience, calling it a huge time saver for small driveways and sidewalks. Though battery life gets mixed reviews. Some users note it drains quickly, while others find it perfect for avoiding overexertion in cold weather. With quiet operation, easy handling, and eco-friendly performance, this shovel is a practical winter solution. Number 5. Maxlander Electric Snow Shovel Cordless. The Maxlander Electric Snow Shovel Cordless delivers powerful performance with a 400W motor that throws snow up to 16.5 feet and clears a 12-inch width and 6-inch depth, all while weighing just 7.8 pounds for easy handling. Its versatile cordless design allows quick, flexible snow removal on decks, steps, patios, and sidewalks without the hassle of cords. An ergonomic adjustable front handle and directional plate let you control exactly where the snow lands, while the abrasion-resistant dual curved auger blade and durable casing ensure long-lasting reliability. It includes a 20V shovel, 4.0Ah battery, quick charger, cover, and gloves. Customers praise its lightweight feel, strong battery life, and ability to clear snow to the surface, though durability feedback varies. Number 6. MZK 16-inch electric walk-behind snowblower. The MZK 16-inch electric walk-behind snowblower delivers fast, efficient snow removal with a 16-inch clearing width, 10 depth capacity, and 20-foot throwing distance, powered by a strong 13-amp motor for light to moderate snowfall. Its lightweight, easy-to-maneuver design makes clearing sidewalks, patios, and driveways effortless, while the durable rubber auger protects surfaces and handles ice chunks without bending. With push-button start, 180 degrees shoot control, and compact folding storage, it's a convenient upgrade from manual shoveling. Customers love its quiet operation, sturdy build, quick assembly, and impressive performance, often clearing a driveway faster than their coffee cools. Number 7. Snow Joe 15-amp corded electric snowblower. The Snow Joe 15-amp corded electric snowblower delivers powerful, gas-like performance with its 15-amp motor, clearing up to 840 pounds of snow per minute across a wide 22-inch path and 13-inch depth, making it perfect for driveways and walkways. Its 180 degrees adjustable chute throws snow up to 25 feet for precise control, while the steel auger with rubber-tipped blades protects surfaces. Dual LED headlights enhance visibility, and its lightweight design makes maneuvering easy. Customers praise its strong performance, simple assembly, and value for money, noting it excels in light to moderate snow and is far easier than shoveling. Number 8. 20V 12.2-inch cordless snow shovel. The 20V 12.2-inch cordless snow shovel delivers quiet but powerful performance with a 20V motor that clears a 12.2-inch path up to 6 inches deep and throws snow up to 17 feet, offering precise directional control through its adjustable plate. Weighing only 9.9 pounds, it features an ergonomic adjustable handle, dual safety start system, and compact, easy-to-store design ideal for walkways, steps, and patios. Users appreciate its simple assembly, strong battery life capable of clearing up to 200 square feet per charge, and effective performance on light to moderate snow, making it a reliable, hassle-free winter solution without noise, cords, or fumes. Number 9. Steelite 21V Cordless Snow Shovel 12-inch. The Steelite 21V cordless snow shovel combines lightweight handling with powerful performance, weighing just 9.9 pounds while clearing 300 pounds of snow per minute and throwing it up to 20 feet for fast winter cleanup. Its 12-inch width, 6-inch depth, and quiet operation make it perfect for driveways, patios, and sidewalks, while the 60 degrees adjustable directional plate lets you control snow discharge with precision. Designed with an ergonomic handle and dual safety switch for comfort and protection, this durable, winter-ready shovel includes a 4.0 Ah battery and quick charger, delivering reliable, hassle-free snow removal for any household. Number 10. 18-inch electric snowblower. The 18-inch electric snowblower delivers fast and efficient snow removal with its powerful 15-amp motor and 2,200 revolutions per minute auger, clearing an 18-inch wide path up to 8 inches deep while throwing snow up to 30 feet for hassle-free winter cleanup. Its instant push-button start and corded design ensure consistent, maintenance-free performance without gas or oil, while the 180 degrees adjustable chute offers precise snow direction control on driveways, walkways, patios, and decks. Weighing just 31 pounds, it's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and simple to store, making it ideal for homeowners wanting quiet, reliable, everyday snow clearing with minimal effort. All from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price after verifying the right product quality, and what is the customer's demand? If you want to know product details or prices or need any other kind of information, please comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.